Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are continuing on in the sweet shop, which is my kitchen, and we're going to work on my coffee station, coffee bar, coffee beverage bar. Has many names, right? But if you're interested in seeing what I do today, just keep on watching. Yes, it is time to decorate my coffee beverage bar. And as you can see, I've already started by placing that sweet heart sign on the wall of this space. That sign came from Temu. Now, I recently did a small haul, and if you would like, I will have it iCard above so you can see that small haul. And I absolutely love this sign. I love it so much that I purchased another sign similar to it and placed it in the kitchen as well. Now, most items that you will see here, I've already had on hand. I shopped my home for, with the exception of a couple of more items that I'm so happy to share. So the tray, this tiered stand, there are staples to my coffee bar, and of course this Keurig. Guys, my Keurig is on its last leg. I've had it for a while. I'm having issues with it, but I'm trying, I'm saying, to hold out and purchase another one. I'm part of the Keurig family, I guess. But it's on its last leg. But I'm also adding these canisters. I always seem to go back to these canisters because it holds a lot of sugar and a lot of creamer. Now I have a lot of things sitting on my kitchen island, so I'm trying to decide what I want to put here on my coffee bar. And like I said, some of the things I always have will remain, just like this picture. I like things to be able to function on this coffee bar, but I also like things to look pretty. This picture can serve as two. It can look pretty, but I also can use it to serve beverages from. So I love that. Now the tiered stand and the canisters came from Marshall's. The picture came from Home Goods. That tray I've had for many, many years, and I cannot recall where I purchased it from. I love placing florals in this picture, and it looks amazing with that sign, doesn't it? Introducing one new item, and that is this honey pot that I picked up from the Target Bullseye Playground. I thought it was so pretty. Look at that heart on the stir. I love the pearl white on the honey pot. It is just so pretty for me, and it was only $5. And to complete this tray are my stirrers. I placed them in a glass, and I have everything I need on this tray. Now moving on to this tiered stand. It usually houses my mugs. Introducing some new mugs here. These beautiful pink mugs. They hold a lot of beverage, guys. These mugs have hearts and the word love written all over them. I picked up two. See, it's a large mug. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. Now, my hubby and I, we're the coffee drinkers. I have one son. He drinks coffee every blue moon, and when he drinks it, he's usually on the go. So I usually just purchase now 2 mugs for hubby and I. But these that I'm going to introduce, OMG, look at this teacup and saucer with spoon. Again, OMG. I purchased these from Temu. Yes, Temu. Now the price, wasn't pleased with, but I love them so much that I purchased them anyway. I love the heart saucer and the beaded design on the teacup and the saucer as well. What also made me purchase this, I have a teapot that is gold and black, and I said I can pair it with that teapot later. Now this tray, I think I purchased it from Home Goods as well. Don't know if they have these items still. But you see, I love beaded items. I just realized that tray had some beads running around it. But this tray holds my coffee syrup dispensers that I picked up from Amazon. Now, anything that I can link, I will link it in my description box below, because I do have these syrup dispensers in my Amazon store. Now, I recently went through a bunch of napkins and paper goods, and I was shocked at some of the things that I had. So I said, I better start pulling all of these items out and using them. So the napkins were one of the items. And look at this mug. This mug came from Target. Target. It's among the Threshold line, and I could only find one of these in pink. But it is a beautiful, beautiful mug trimmed in gold. So I'm going to place it on my Keurig so it can look pretty there, right? So right now I'm going to show you around my coffee bar, my coffee station, or my coffee beverage bar. Now, do you have a designated space for your coffee or your beverage bar in your kitchen? Or are you planning on creating one? Let me know in the comments below. Now, as you know, if you've been following me, I absolutely love my coffee beverage bar, and I love decorating it for the different seasons. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store. And by the way, to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for becoming a part of the blessed family. I am so glad that you are here, and I am looking forward to continuing our family, our relationship right here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.